What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that every man wants to know: 5 things women can't resist in a man. If you've ever wondered how to make her chase you and leave a lasting impression, you're in for a treat. We've got 5 powerful tips that will make you absolutely irresistible to women. So, let's jump right in. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our valuable content. Now, let's unveil the 5 things that will make her unable to resist chasing after you. 1. Unwavering confidence. Confidence is an alluring quality that women find irresistible in a man. When you exude self-assurance, it sends a powerful message that you are comfortable in your own skin and know your worth. This unwavering confidence is magnetic and draws women towards you effortlessly. It shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities, making you a man they can trust and rely on. Confidence is not about being arrogant or boastful, it's about having a genuine sense of self-assurance that shines through in your demeanor and actions. Moreover, confidence is contagious, it positively influences those around you. When you display confidence, it makes women feel secure and at ease in your presence. Your self-assuredness is a sign of emotional stability, which women find attractive and reassuring. A confident man can take charge and make decisions without being overly controlling, creating a sense of safety and stability in the relationship. This level of confidence not only makes women feel protected but also inspires them to be their authentic selves around you. Furthermore, a confident man is unafraid to take risks and embrace new opportunities. Whether it's approaching a woman you're interested in or pursuing your personal goals, confidence gives you the courage to step out of your comfort zone. This boldness is attractive to women, as they appreciate a man who is not afraid to go after what he wants in life. Confidence is also vital in handling challenges and setbacks with grace, showing that you can handle whatever life throws your way. This resilience and unwavering self-assurance make you a compelling and irresistible force in the eyes of women. Lastly, it's essential to remember that confidence is a mindset that can be cultivated over time. While it's normal to have moments of self-doubt, the key is to work on building your self-esteem and recognizing your strengths. Practice self-compassion and embrace your uniqueness. As you become more comfortable in your own skin, your confidence will naturally radiate, making you a man women can't help but be drawn to. 2. Mysterious allure. A touch of mystery can add an irresistible allure to your persona, making women curious to know more about you. While it's essential to be open and genuine, leaving a hint of intrigue creates an air of excitement and captivation. You don't need to share your life story on the first encounter, instead, reveal bits and pieces of your personality gradually. This leaves her wanting to uncover more layers of who you are, sparking a sense of excitement and mystery that she can't resist. Mystery also keeps the dynamic between you fresh and engaging. When a woman feels like she is discovering something new about you over time, it creates an ongoing sense of discovery and fascination. Share your experiences and passions selectively, leaving room for her to inquire and explore your thoughts and interests further. This enigmatic quality makes you an intriguing puzzle that she can't wait to solve. However, it's essential to strike a balance with the level of mystery you maintain. While it's alluring to be enigmatic, too much secrecy or playing games can lead to misunderstandings and frustration. Be honest and authentic in your interactions, and don't withhold important information. Instead, let the mystery come from the unique aspects of your personality and life that you gradually reveal, adding an exciting element to your relationship. Furthermore, being mysterious doesn't mean being distant or unapproachable. Strike the right balance between being intriguing and being emotionally available. Be open to sharing your feelings and experiences when the time is right, and be genuinely interested in learning about her as well. By maintaining an enigmatic allure while still being emotionally connected, you create a dynamic that keeps her captivated and wanting to be a part of your life. 3. Sense of humor. A great sense of humor is an undeniable charm that women find incredibly attractive in a man. Being able to make her laugh creates a positive and enjoyable atmosphere, making her feel comfortable and at ease in your company. A genuine sense of humor allows you to connect on a deeper level, as laughter is a universal language that brings people closer together. When you can make a woman laugh, you leave a lasting impression and become someone she looks forward to spending time with. Humor is also a powerful tool in diffusing tense situations and breaking the ice. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and can find joy in the little things. Women appreciate a man who can find the bright side of life and bring a smile to their faces, even during challenging times. Playful teasing and witty banter create a sense of lightheartedness that elevates the relationship from mundane to exciting. It's important to note that humor should be used thoughtfully and respectfully. Avoid offensive jokes or making fun of others, as it can be a major turn-off. Instead, focus on being authentic and sharing funny stories or observations from your life. Being able to laugh at yourself and not taking things too seriously makes you more relatable and endearing. Furthermore, a sense of humor allows you to create shared experiences and inside jokes with a woman, building a unique bond between the two of you. These little moments of laughter become cherished memories that make the relationship special and memorable. Cultivating a sense of humor shows that you can find joy and happiness in each other's company, making you a delightful and sought-after partner in her eyes. 4. Ambition and drive. Ambition and drive are qualities that make a man incredibly appealing to women. When you have a clear sense of purpose and are passionate about your goals, it shows that you are someone with direction and determination. Women are drawn to men who are focused on self-improvement and personal growth, as it demonstrates that you are continuously striving to be the best version of yourself. Having ambition goes beyond just having career aspirations, it extends to all aspects of your life. Whether it's pursuing a creative hobby, setting fitness goals, or working on personal projects, a man with drive is inspiring and motivating. This sense of purpose makes you stand out as a man who is not complacent with mediocrity but is actively seeking to make a positive impact in the world. Moreover, ambition is contagious, it encourages those around you, including the woman you're interested in, to pursue their own dreams and passions. Your dedication and determination serve as a powerful motivator, making women feel supported and encouraged in their own pursuits. Being with someone who is ambitious can push her to be the best version of herself, creating a dynamic of growth and mutual support in the relationship. Furthermore, ambition shows that you have a strong sense of responsibility and are willing to take on challenges to achieve your goals. This level of determination and commitment is admirable, and it makes you a man that women can rely on and respect. Your ambition also gives you interesting stories and experiences to share, making conversations with you engaging and captivating. However, it's essential to strike a balance with ambition and not let it consume your life to the detriment of your relationships. While it's great to have goals and aspirations, make sure to create space for meaningful connections and quality time with the woman you're pursuing. A healthy balance between personal growth and nurturing relationships makes you a well-rounded and desirable partner. Ultimately, ambition and drive are qualities that women find incredibly attractive, as they showcase your potential and the exciting future you can offer as a partner. 5. Actively listening and empathy. Actively listening and showing empathy are essential qualities that women find incredibly appealing in a man. When you truly listen to what she has to say and respond with genuine interest, it makes her feel valued and understood. Actively engaging in the conversation without distractions shows that you are present and fully invested in the moment. This attentiveness fosters a deeper emotional connection, as she knows that you are genuinely interested in getting to know her on a meaningful level. Furthermore, empathy is a powerful tool that allows you to understand and share the feelings of the woman you're with. It shows that you are emotionally attuned to her needs and experiences, creating a safe and supportive environment. When a woman feels heard and seen, it opens the door to vulnerability and emotional intimacy. Your ability to empathize makes you a trusted confidant and a reliable shoulder to lean on during both the good and challenging times. Additionally, active listening and empathy enable you to pick up on nonverbal cues and emotions, helping you better understand her thoughts and feelings. Paying attention to her body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice allows you to respond thoughtfully and appropriately. This level of emotional intelligence sets you apart as someone who is sensitive and attuned to her emotional needs, making you an incredibly attractive partner. Moreover, being a great listener and showing empathy are not skills that come naturally to everyone, but they can be cultivated and improved with practice. Avoid interrupting or rushing the conversation, and refrain from trying to solve her problems unless she explicitly asks for advice. Sometimes, all she needs is someone to lend a caring ear and provide a safe space to express herself. In conclusion, active listening and empathy create a deep emotional bond that women find irresistible. Your ability to be fully present and emotionally supportive makes you a truly captivating partner. Remember that meaningful connections are built on mutual understanding and support, and by actively listening and showing empathy, you become a man she can't help but be drawn to.